What's up YouTubers, Johnny DIY here. Today we're going to be doing an unbox, setup, and review on the TCL 40-inch Roku TV. If you guys are new to my channel, do me a favor, click the subscribe and the bell so you can check out all my new videos. I'd really appreciate that, guys. Alright guys, let's get to it. This is the 40-inch TCL LED. It's 1080p. It's the model 40S325 and it's got the Roku integrated in it. Remote and everything. That's it. Alright, let's go ahead and lay it down flat on its face. Right here on the back panel, it looks like these 4 screw points right here would be your mounting points, or if you're going to wall mount this. Come over to the left side and go ahead and check out the panel with all the ports on it. We've got right here USB on the top, then we've got 1, 2, 3 HDMI ports, and we've got our antenna port and cable hookup. We've got audio input, like when you want to plug in some speakers. Then we've got an audio out for headphones. And then you've got an optical port right here. Underneath, it looks like here's our mounting points for our legs. Over here on the right side, this is our power. There is a power button, so it does have a manual power button if you need that. See what it comes with. We've got a setup manual paper. We've got the 2 legs, power cord, and remote right here. Netflix, Hulu, Roku channel, ESPN Plus, little directional pad, back, home button, power button, another back button, forward, reverse, play, pause. And then on the side of these TCL remotes, it has the mute button right here, and then it has the volume down and volume up. I remember when I first used this, it took me forever to find out where the damn thing was. Okay, it's got a audio adapter, so you can use RCAs if you have like an older sound system that you need RCA ports for the sound. Got batteries for the remote. So the back panel, bottom panel just slides down. It just slides in. There we go. Show you guys how to hook up the legs if you want to put the legs on it to mount it like that. Got these cheap little peg leg style legs that they've all switched to, since it's cheaper than the old base style ones, like this older ones. They all had the pedestal in the middle, but they've changed to these little peg legs, I call them, because you know, they can save a few bucks. It comes with the 4 screws. The manual didn't really have any help. See this right one, how it's longer, sloped more forward? It's got a longer leg in the front. That's going to point towards the front. There's a little arrow on the front, so I guess that arrow is going to need to point forward. There's actually a little arrow right here, so you just match up the arrows. That'll make it a little easier. And then each one just takes 2 Phillips head screws, and it's the smaller size. Okay, so you don't need to tighten these too tight. You don't want to damage the plastic legs since it's just plastic, but take your time because these screws are kind of janky. You don't want to strip them. I also wanted to show you guys the speakers. They're located downward facing, as most flat screens are nowadays, so don't expect the best quality sound from this, but that's what you get. Set it up. We'll just plug in the power cord over here on the right side. Alright, well that's booting up. Let me give you guys a measurement right here. It looks like the legs are about 30.5 inches, so you're going to need a stand at least 30.5 inches wide. Let's check out the energy guide right here. $11 energy guide with 92 kilowatt usage, which is pretty decent. I mean, it's not the best. You can get them sometimes down lower to like 60s. Alright, English for me, United States, home use. It's pretty fast, actually really fast. Wi-Fi, don't look at this password. Looks like it's restarting. So it looks like you gotta go online right here to roku.com/link and enter a code to finish the setup. Wants me to create a Roku account now on my cell phone. Oh boy, here we go. Another password. Alright, I'll just go ahead and arrow right. So setting up the cable box. Alright, it's loading now. Alright, so it's giving us a little instructions, I guess. Oh look, we can fast forward it. It's about 2 minutes long if you want to watch it. So over here on the right, we've got all our goodies. We've got Netflix and everything. Actually, I want to add my YouTube, so the back button up at the top. Okay, we go down to Streaming Channels Channel Store. Click on that. Here we go, down on Most Popular on the left. There's YouTube right there in the middle. Click that, add channel. Should come preloaded, these frickin' Roku TCL people. Alright, then you're gonna need to log into your YouTube account. Alright, let's look up some HD video. Oh, there we go. Looks pretty good. Oh yeah, this is crisp. Yes, this is good. TV. Right, so the sound quality on itself, just with the speakers in the TV, it's pretty dang good. I mean, it's loud. It's not the best quality, obviously. It's on. First thing we'll do is go ahead and put the emergency. This is on 27, and it's quite loud, louder than I need. It's comfortable at around 17. So I don't think you're going to have a problem with the sound. It's not the best quality, like I said, but it's plenty loud for like a bedroom or small living room. Alright guys, and that's it. Hopefully you guys like this video. I'm really impressed with the TV. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and check it out and click the notification bell so you can get all my new videos. Thanks for watching Johnny DIY, guys. Keep on doing it yourself. Take care. Bye-bye.